How we doing, YouTube? I would say we're back again, but it's still the same day. I've just left Inveraray with the derogatory trip to the Green Welly at Tyndrum. Give me the opportunity to grab some fuel and possibly even a coffee, if I remember to extend my overdraft for buying a coffee at the Welly. I'm kidding. It's not an extended overdraft, it's a remortgage. So yes, it was just a quick flying stop at Inveraray because, well, it'd have been rude not to. Such a nice place. We're going to go home and the fucking visors look like a massacre. Just a mass of dead flies. I forgot to bring my wee cleaning sponge with me and my visor spray. Never an advised mistake to make this time of year. Still on the A85 road that runs from Inveraray to Dunmally. Beautiful stretch of road. Rolling hills, Loch Awe. What more could you ask for? I need your assistance here. Right, my second oldest child, my oldest son, he's almost 20, and I've kind of planted the seed in his head of the thought of him going for doing his CBT and getting a wee 125. He's not done any driving lessons of that yet. The wife isn't as keen on the idea. I did try to explain to her from my situation that I found once I started riding, it made me more observant when I was out in the car. Hence why I thought that get him going for his CBT, get him on a wee 125. And then later on down the line, start him on his driving lessons. So who else went down that road? Obviously I was driving first. I didn't start biking until I was into my 30s. As I say, it did, I feel, once I became a biker, it made me a more observant driver. And I want your opinion. Obviously, as much as we all agree that you know, bikers are the way forward, you know, we're higher up the food chain. So if you feel it's not the way things are, by all means let me know. But if you agree with me, drop me your situation in the comments, or even you know, take this topic and make a video if you're a vlogger yourself. She says that she has sort of, you know, agreed to the idea of it, but she says she's not happy with it, so it's like, I'm just trying to put her mind at ease. as I tried to explain as well, you know how many of these young laddies just pass their car test, bang straight into a, you know, even your like say your wee Fiestas and all that are capable of over 100 mile an hour and can cause some damage, but at least a wee Chinese 125, geared 125, max 60 mile an hour, you know, might even push to 65, 70 in a downhill with a tailwind, but it gives them a start to the experience on the road. Or so I think. So that is it, guys. Drop me a wee comment what you think, or make a reply video by all means. Tag me on it. But most importantly, ride safe, keep our shiny side up, and until next time, bye.